Hello everyone, myself Ashwin B. Devang, currently pursuing BTech in Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning in GM University, Davangere. Today I came with a new topic with the course Software Engineering, my assignment one. So that is a create a mini project plan applying ugly Scrum to AI-based fraud detection. So here I have to credit card based fraud detection by from the data set that is the Kaggle. So guided by Praveen sir, assistant professor in AIML department, GM University. So let's go with this assignment. What I have done is I have used a platform called as a Google Colab and also the dataset from the Kaggle. So by getting the dataset, I am just going to analyze whether the credit card based the authority is the fraud or not. So here I am going to predict by using dataset. Let's go with that. And team members, myself, H1B, and project objective. So detect and prevent fraudulent transaction using AI techniques. So many right now in these situations, in this generation, so many people are going to a fraud because of the hacking systems or so many things. We are facing a fraud. So because of that, we are using AI techniques, improve accuracy and reduce false positive in fraud detections. So in the confusion matrix, there is a false positive and false negative. We are going to resist false positive. Okay, implement iterative development using Agile Scrum. So we are going to develop these by using Agile Scrum. Develop a scalable real-time fraud detection system. So within the time, within a second, we are going to analyze whether it is a fraud or not. Agile Scrum overview. Scrum is an iterative incremental framework for managing project, product owner, Scrum master, development team. These are the three roles we are going to divide. So work divided into sprints. That is one or 2 weeks with the defined weight deliverables, regular stand-up sprint reviews, and retrospective ensure progress and adaptability. Scrum implementation plan in the sprint zero requirement gathering dataset acquisition. This is the first thing we have. I have done it. And sprint two, that is a data pre-processing, that is a training and testing. So dividing the dataset into two parts and model development. So I need to develop and I need to train the model by using epochs. So many epochs we are going to train. And sprint integration with the dashboard, alert system, and reporting. So in the sprint three, we are going to give the end users, that is the alert systems, like it is a fraud or not, key deliverables and KPIs. So AI model with 90% detection, greater than 90% detection accuracy. Because so if the detection is greater than 90%, then we can say that it is a spam. Okay. Functional dashboard showing fraud trends and alerts, like in the future trends, how many people are going to fraud and not fraud. So that is we are going to show here. Sprint wise progress documented with backlog updates, KPI tracking, that is a model accuracy, false positive rate, detection speed. So how many KPI, that is what the backend progress we are going to show here. And conclusion, Ugly Scrum ensures faster delivery with continuous feedback. That's what the peoples will be expect. Like if the peoples is involved in the fraud, then if you get a notification or alert systems after some days, then that is not a use. So Ugly Scrum ensures that a faster delivery. If the person, before the person is going to involve in the scam product, so it is going to show the alert system. Iterative development allows easy adjustment of AI models, reduce financial losses by early detection of fraud, scalable solution applicable to banking, e-commerce, and insurance sectors. So this is what my project, and let's go with my coding part. So where I have developed. Okay. Yeah. So as I mentioned here, I have developed the alert system using Google Colab. Okay, just a minute. Okay, so here you can see here I have used credit card a csv.file. That is I added csv.file here, so which contains a fraud and non-frauded transaction. Then I have imported MATLAB. That is because I am going to show the graph structures over here, and also with the title, that is the fraud and legit transactions. So this is what the predicted confusion, sorry, matrix form where the data set contains. Okay, now we can see the transaction graph, that is a fraud and legit transaction. Okay, so now I have training and tested. Okay, here I am going to divide the training and tested data. That is 80% of training data and 20% of test data we are going to split here. So after that I am just going to run, that is a train and test data. Test sets are created successfully. Then we are going to print the confusion matrix of the data, and also classification report and ROC and AUC curve. So here, uh, first thing I am use random forest. Then I am going to predict confusion matrix. This is a confusion matrix of my data. So that is approximately 2300 to 400 data set I have here. Okay, then classification report, that is a precision, recall, F1 score and support, accuracy, a macro average, and you can see my model ROC AUC score is 0.94. That means a very good accuracy I have got. And also here I have used an optional symptom, that is synip, that is a prediction, that is a legit, it is a good data set or not, that is a legit. And a fraud probability is at 0.0%. That means if you apply this data set to our existing platform, we will get an accuracy that is in a good way accuracy. Okay, then I have used for see the graph, like how many people are going to fraud or not. Okay, so fraud probability restrictions and fraud probability count. So how many people are going to be a fraud, and what is the proximity where the people are not getting the fraud. So this is my prediction, and this is my ROIC curve. Okay, this is my assignment one, where I have showed complete data structures of the people's like getting a fraud or not by using the data set from the Kaggle. Okay, this is my assignment one, and thank you for this opportunity. See you in the next assignment. Thank you.